What's up, Troupe? Welcome back to another video, man. Hey, today we're about to try some B&D Troupe barbecue, bruh. Ain't gonna lie, bruh. This shit look valid, though. I ain't gonna hold you. Look at this place, bruh. Hold on. Yeah.
And 9 times out of 10, they want the G from me. And I'm fine with that.
Subscribe to Shine TV. I don't play with that shit.
Bruh, I'm with the dogs, you feel me? I'm with that boy Shot by Black and with that boy Fendi, you know what I'm saying? What you wanna say, brother man?
We work.
Say it, brother man.
Y'all boys already know, man. We out here working every week. Make sure you subscribe, man.
Hey man, I just learned something new on my phone. I don't need a camera for a little minute. Let's get it. I don't know. That's takeout. That's the takeout window. That's the takeout window. I just wanted to do my intro there because that's where the artist. How y'all boys feeling, man? Little kid look like he burnt like he ate and he ready for another plate. Oh shit, that shit look at a little.
Oh, they got TV? Yeah,
This is like this shit.
Oh shit.
My bad, gang. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this shit is hot as fuck. This look like the outside. That's the inside? Oh yeah, that's tough. They got TVs, they got bathrooms, and everything looks clean. Yes, sir. This shit live, bruh. You look, you can take pictures here, bruh. You look, you can take pictures here. But listen, man, if y'all don't know already, bruh, 8 times out of 10, bruh, I'm the man with the inspiration behind this man. You know what I'm saying? His locations is where he taking shit. You know what I'm saying? But that's because, like, I think of where would I take the picture? You know what I mean? You recording? Hey, listen, man. 8 times out. Whoop. That shit. I don't think so. If we don't do nothing, we vibing. That shit look good. I like this. I ain't gonna lie, I like this place, bro. It look good. How long they been open? That shit look tough. I might get the brisket with mac and cheese and what the drinks have. Soft drinks, Coke, tea. I might get a bottle of.
Take me out, y'all boys. Put y'all boys on that.
Let me see what you get, bro.
I'm gonna get the half a chicken for 15.
Damn, chicken.
Side.
We all gotta grab different stuff and we can try each other's shit.
I bet. So I'm gonna get the regular shit. Half a chicken, French fries.
Yo, kid, you might as well go to Snappers, kid. That's chicken and fries.
Shit, half a chicken, shit. That shit
Chicken
on the
and
grill.
fries.
Snapper don't have that shit on the grill. So I don't be eat snappers like that.
See? Kid the most pickiest person I know, kid.
That boy gotta get your money worth. Can't lie. I ain't finna spend too good.
Cheese about the camera, y'all. You trying to crank me? I'm cranking you.
What's our for? I'm caring about it.
Cranking,
What I'm getting?
Crank. I think I know what I'm getting. What you getting?
What do you get if I don't get the same shit?
I might get. I'm getting because I want brisket. Huh? Just add your music. And then we jumble it up together, and then we think it's like a mix. But now look, I'm getting a brisket, mac and cheese, and probably a bottle of water. He get a half chicken and fries. I don't know what drink. I don't think he getting a drink. They got fountain drinks. That's it, and tea. I think that's slushies. I don't think that's tea.
I'm gonna get a pulled pork sandwich. What? Pulled pork sandwich. Y'all eat pork?
Yeah, it's not pork. I think it's like the shredded shit, right?
Yeah.
Isn't brisket pork?
No brisket.
They give you a buzzer when your food. They give you a buzzer when your food. You get a buzzer when your food is ready. This shit clutch. Hey man, right now Alec just got his food, you feel me? I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, bro. We don't have a little chat right now. Life's been good. I ain't gonna hold y'all. What the fuck, bro?
Hey, we gonna see those.
How much was that? 20. Damn, them fries smell like fries right now. I ain't gonna hold you. Usually fries smell like grease balls. That shit smell like potatoes. That's some good shit.
Yeah. That's how the cat. That's how the CT is.
That's how my caddy gonna sound like. Right side out of it, right? You don't believe in drink? Alright. My dream will come true. Woo. I'm this close to finally being able to finish off with the house shit. So like in August we're gonna start looking. So that in September we'll be good to go. Nah, this nigga trying to feed me. Get him out of here.
Wait, time out.
Hell nah. Look, he wanna get fed. He open his mouth.
Wait, time out.
You getting crazy.
It's hot.
Feed him.
No. It's good.
That was gonna be the clickbait.
I feel like you guys are cool. Hey, that's okay, bro.
Nah, that's crazy. Man. I ain't gonna, you might as well stay here. You should have got a water for free. And she gave me the big cup. Nah, this is $1, yo. I ain't gonna do it. This shit $1, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like, 1 to 10, I give it like a 8.5. That's probably too hard. I'll probably say 7.5 because I like my fries crunchy. I ain't gonna lie. But it's seasoned real good. And they taste like, what you gonna call it? They taste like real potatoes instead of grease balls. Job lucky, man. Alright, y'all. So what I got was brisket and mac and cheese, and it was about $21. Pretty good deal. And then I asked for water. We sell water. She got me right. Just free water from the fountain with the large cup. W cashier, man. Taste test right. Fries coming back. Yeah, you gotta try everything. The chicken, the pickles. You're not trying the pickles. Not OC. You gotta see this.
Yes, sir.
What you end up getting?
4 pork, 4 wings. I put the coleslaw inside instead of the sandwich. Just how brothers don't like it. Mac and cheese and then the sweet tea. Alright.
Brisket. Hold on. I didn't know brisket was beef. I thought it was pork. That shit got it. I ain't gonna lie. I like the taste. It's very easy to chew too. There you go, man. I ain't gonna lie, you gotta give me barbecue sauce. I need a full, clean taste. But before we get there, before we get there, here you go, guys.
That shit good.
Down. I fit this one. Down. But before we get the barbecue, I'm gonna try the mac and cheese, you know, man. might have a home run. Mac and cheese, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna hold you. Mac and cheese kinda OC, bro. Yeah. Want some? Yo, Jet, bang it. I only got 3 slices.
Y'all gonna have to take a piece like this.
You about to use my spoon?
You're not gonna use it. Yeah, so we're gonna have to take a piece like this.
That shit bad, I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with mac and cheese. Grab the other side.
That boy getting bucked. Alright, gang.
You gotta get something for black too. Black mac and cheese too.
Shit, why not?
I ain't gonna lie, let me grab it before you taste it. I'm like, oh shit, this shit bad. I feel like, damn, shit got mac and cheese. What's that? Oh, that's the pork? Oh shit. Whoa. I'm gonna try to bang me, bro. I'm gonna try to fuck this, bro. That's pork. That's pork. It's like every other restaurant. I ain't gonna lie. It's good though. Like, it doesn't have a Texas steak that I thought it would have. But it's good. It's like the brisket. Yes.
We give it a snack. I should have that.
Yeah, the brisket is like $8. I mean, 8 out of 10. Mac and cheese, 9 out of 10. This pork, like 7. Like, I'm not really a pork fan, but I'm about to get barbecue chicken cabbage. Great. Like, and then we can break that thing. Dad? Oh, Shine, you tasted the chicken, so? Is this yours?
You want to take it? Maybe y'all need some sauce and shit.
You got sauce? Oh, you got sauce?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. That chicken good. That chicken juicy though. But like, I don't know yet, but 7.5, you know? But we gonna try this. We gonna try mine here. I fuck with my choice. We gon', matter of fact, we about to do a triple threat right now. We gonna grab some mac and cheese. Grab the brisket. And then we're gonna put the barbecue on top of it. Ooh, shit. Look at that right there. Oh, it's dropping. That shit valid, yo. Fuck with it. 8.5 out of 10. Nice. But I'm gonna go eat. See that boy's when they're done eating. I don't want to retaste the item.
Why you ate all of them? You didn't like it?
I had to taste it again for them. Some pickles are sauteed as fuck.
Sauteed?
What's up? Look what pull this. I'm sorry, thank you. Oh, look at bags. Oh, no, you good. Nobody couldn't even say a word. Folded like shit, my boy.
It's not a pussy out there.
Uh-huh.
Why you not? You know I'm gonna crush some shit. I don't care.
That boy folded.
I don't care.
Why you don't blitz right now, huh? Mr. Like that? Go ahead.
I didn't say I was like that.
Oh, yeah? You say you was like that?
Y'all said I was like that.
Oh, yeah?
Y'all caught me though. What y'all doing? Hungry. I'm gonna hold you by your boy.
Alright, man, y'all. Snap my shit. I ain't gonna lie, that shit was valid, bro. I think I had the best dish. I ain't gonna hold y'all. That boy Ali didn't finish, kid. That boy don't eat nothing but cereal. Excuse me. Ali.
No, wait, what you doing? I just turned. No.
turned around.
You was like right to you recording. I know you recording. I know you were zooming and everything.
You getting cranked, dude.
Why are you trolling right now?
Everybody get cranked, but you?
Folded, G. What? Folded.
Everybody acting like he full G even eating.
Boys, you see what's sitting in front of that now, boy? This shit is motion. Yo.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, boys.
Hold on. What you mean by that, little brother? What you say?
There's no camera here.
Uh-oh. Oh yeah, you done, Joe. Hey, who that right there? Who got the ball right there?
Nobody. That's Curry.
That's Curry?
What y'all recording me?
Woo! What you know about that?
Man, I got a dictionary, you know what I'm saying? I got all the words and shit, so you know.
I've been around somebody too long.
I feel famous son. I ain't gonna hold you. I got 2 cameras on me, but we had a good time.
That boy Ali showed the fit. Chill out.
Food was great. Vibes was great. Energy was great. Waiters were mid. There's no way I'm getting triple teamed by 3 guys right now.
Yes, you're cooked.
What is wrong with this man?
Wait,
Outrageous fucking language.
bro. All right, that's the word. Your channel is very versatile. I gotta look that way still. All right. Ashan TV's channel is very versatile, very funny. It makes me mad sometimes because I'm on there doing dumb shit and then he still posts it. That's L shit right there. But
You know I'm cranking him. Cranking him right now.
you know it's for the content, so I don't give a fuck.
All right, Troupe 4, man. That's the end of the video, bro. I ain't gonna lie. W eats, man. W vibes with the guys. Show is valid for real. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. Hey, if you guys fuck with this type of content, so like me going to food places, y'all boys let me know in the comments down below, bro. See y'all boys in the next video. Go on.
Sometimes I think this bitch a coppin'. We got bowls for sale with all the flavors like a candy shop. Nigga play with YBT on game, we get the pouncing out. You need 10 to sit with us, little boy, you